Love is bigger.
Senaste nytt.
Justin Bieber har kommit i målbrottet.
Men vi önskar honom all lycka i framtiden. God bless you.
Det är som vi fruktade. Justin Bieber är inte så snäll som vi tror. Han vill ta över världen. Se bara på vår senaste klipp.
Hey, what's up, Internet? Guess who? It's Justin Bieber, and I've taken over Fun Ear Dye. It's mine, I bought it. And now it's Bieber or die. Anything that's not Bieber, dies. I'm a star. I do what stars do. I ride on yachts, I autograph lady lumps, and I pay people to slap them. Sometimes I don't feel like walking, so I make enormous people carry me around. Let's go get a lollipop. I talk loudly in libraries, and I swim directly after I eat. I don't care. I once ran into a club. They said, "Sir, you're not old enough." So I bought the club, and I made it a Chuck E. Cheese. Now I was old enough, bitch. So remember, this is Bieber's world. You're just living in it. Bieber or die.
Nej.
Senaste nytt.